Alright! So, tapos na kami dito sa Sanctuary of Truth. Sana na-justify ko sa mga videos ko kung gaano kaganda yung museum or yung mga structure. So, I hope you guys enjoyed that as well. So, it's really good to visit Sanctuary of Truth when you are here in Pattaya. So, and we also learn a lot of things, philosophical things. So, yeah, we're done here. We're now going back to the hotel and be ready for our Khao Larn tour this afternoon. Stay tuned for more! This is our service going to the pier for our Khao Larn Island tour. Hello guys! Dito na kami sa pier. Yan, dito yung pick up place para sa ating Khao Larn afternoon island tour.
Just it depends on your package. Okay? And then after that you will get free time and then come back here.
Okay, so this is our boat para sa ating island activity. So speed boat yung sinasakyan natin ngayon papunta ng Khao Larn. So, dito yung first stop natin ng activities is parasailing area. No? If you book an activity for parasailing, so this is that area. Sa mga hindi nag-book, so it could be a waiting area. So like us. So hindi kami nag-book ng any activity, so we just want to enjoy the beach later. So stay tayo dito. Okay, so tapos na tayo dito sa parasailing station. And ito na yung ating boat. Off to go! What the heck? Oh! Roller coaster yan. Of Khao Larn. Grabe yung impact ng speedboat. We are here. So as you can see, white sand, clear waters. So it's really good for swimming. So let's go. Let's go. So ito yung station natin dito, yung white and orange umbrella. And ang call time mamaya ay 4:30 going back to main Pattaya. We have around 3 hours to enjoy the island. Hello from Khao Larn Island. Ayan, so dahil meron pa naman kaming enough time, we rented like a tuk-tuk like ride. So para siyang malaking tuk-tuk para sa whole island tour dito sa Khao Larn. And then pagbalik saka kami magsi-swimming before we go back to Pattaya. Here my friends. Ayan. Parang gusto ko ng shake. Magkano shake? Alright, ito na yung sundo namin papunta sa aming actual na sasakyan. Nandun siya sa may parking. So, nag-order muna ako ng drinks. Alright, so ang ating first stop for our Koh Larn tour ay here at Samay Beach. So we have 15 minutes to stay here and enjoy the beautiful beach. Kaya yan. Ikaw walang baba. Pating? Oo, pating to. Ayan o, it's a shark. May shark? Kinakain yung pating dito, no? Baby shark. Oh, bawal nga daw yun. Shark na yun?
Asan eh? Huwag ko na sumabay. Inaasan agad.
Walang sagana.
Yung gusto mo lang mag-enjoy pero kinabugkin.
Ayaw patalo. Alright, so we have around 30 minutes dito sa aming next stop, which is Kian Beach. Kian Beach. Okay, 10 minutes. Sorry, so we have 10 minutes to stay here. So, yeah, just really for a quick photo sessions. Yan, kasi it's just a small area. So, parang overlooking beach lang siya. Yan. So, just really good for some quick photos. Para siyang ano, crocodile. Or it's just me.
Abi siya mo next dapat stop.
Mami dat talaga.
Oh my god, fruits. Kumusta mo ng paghahanap ng shells?
May jellyfish.
Ay, jellyfish? Oh. Stingy?
Apa naman?
Okay. Oh. Buti na lang hindi kayo nagtampisaw ng matagal.
Hindi mo tayo aware ng jellyfish.
Wala man lang warning sign. Alright, so this is our next stop, Tayay Beach. So we have again another 15 minutes for some photo ops here. With the gang still. So we're going down to the beach with this beautiful, wow, butterfly. Natakot na sila mag-swim sa beach kasi dun sa naunang island, ay naunang beach, ay nakita silang jellyfish. So, iwas, of course, to be safe. This is Tayay Beach. There is a valley. Yan, so dito sa Tayay Beach, mayroong mga rocky area like this. Yan. May mga rock formation. Okay, so ito yung ating last beach stop, Nuwan Beach. Dito pa rin yan sa Khao Larn. And doon sa highway may mga cafe. Ayan. Diyan. Oh, kita ba? Ayan. Andyan yung mga cafe sa roadside. And then tayo, bababa tayo dito sa beach for some quick photo ops bago tayo bumalik doon sa ating main station, which is sa mismong Khao Larn. So this area, meron siyang good visibility of Pattaya buildings. So look at this. Alright, so this is our last stop for our Khao Larn tour. The view deck. Grabe, sobrang ganda ng view. In 3, 2, 1. So ito yung view dito sa view deck. Yan. So this is the main beach kung saan din kami binaba from Pattaya. So we started our tour here. So yun yung orange, white umbrella na yan. Dun si agency na partner for our tour. For the vlog! Okay, groovy tayo. Ikot tayo, ikot. Okay. Dito ha. 1, 2, 3, go!
Asan sudah yan?
Dapat ito tayo binabay. Sobrang pino rin pala ng buhangin dito. Really good. Hello! That is our Khao Larn Island tour. Dito pa rin yan sa Pattaya. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys consider visiting this beautiful island here in Pattaya when you are here in Pattaya, Thailand. thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, hit like, comment down below, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See ya!